In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gallery in Notion, providing a simple yet comprehensive tutorial perfect for beginners. If you're just getting started with Notion and want to make the most of its powerful features, this is the perfect tutorial for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a beautiful and functional gallery to organize your information visually and efficiently. First, open your Notion workspace, a brilliant hub where all your thoughts, notes, and tasks can harmoniously stay organized. To start creating your gallery, you'll want to type /gallery into any page. This command is part of Notion's /commands, a super flexible tool that lets you insert various types of content quickly. Once you type it in, you'll see a drop-down menu pop up, giving you a choice to add a gallery. This initial step sets the foundation for a visually appealing arrangement of your content. Once you have your gallery module set up, go ahead and click on it to add your first item. This is where the gallery truly starts to come to life. You'll notice that it opens a card, which is essentially a container where you can insert all sorts of media and text. Adding cards is an intuitive way to build out your gallery, with each card functioning like a digital note filled with rich content. Personalize each card by adding an image or a piece of text that describes the content you want to present. Simply drag and drop images from your files or upload them directly through Notion. This flexibility allows you to curate a gallery in a way that best suits your needs. Now that you've added a few cards with images, it's time to think about the overall appearance and functionality of your gallery. Click on the button located in the upper right corner of your gallery to access the display settings. Here, you have plenty of options to customize how your gallery looks, such as adjusting the card size, enabling metadata like dates or authors, and choosing how the content is sorted and filtered. These settings allow you to tailor the appearance of your gallery, enhancing visual appeal and making information easy to understand at a glance. Throughout this process, keep in mind that galleries in Notion can significantly enhance the visual organization of your content, turning simple lists into dynamic, colorful presentations. Experiment with different layouts and images to create a gallery that truly resonates with your style. Whether it's for personal projects, work presentations, or organizing hobbies, your new Notion gallery can now serve as a versatile tool that displays your content just the way you want. And there you have it, a lovely gallery setup in Notion that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Practice these steps, and in no time you'll be creating stunning galleries like a seasoned Notion pro. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!